Sanibel Sea School is a place where kids can pursue the allure of the sea or the ocean. Well, I think you'd be hard-pressed to find another camp where you can find a seahorse or stand up on a surfboard, even snorkel at night, all in the same day. We really embody the notion that you will protect what you love. And you don't love something unless you're exposed to it or you experience it. And so hands-on learning or experiential education is so important to have that exposure and time in nature. And while we're out in the field exploring, we use different equipment like nets, dip nets, seine nets to catch animals for closer observation. We bring portable tanks out with us and aerators so kids can have these animals for closer observation for a little bit, learn about them, be able to ask questions about them before we safely release everything to the sea.
I truly can't imagine doing anything better because you're marrying two of these great things, being a steward for wildlife and the nature around us here and being involved in it each and every day, physically out in those spaces, but also getting to guide these children that, like I said, may or may not have had those experiences in the past, and getting them out there so that they're learning, but they're also hands-on experiencing and seeing it firsthand.
Sanibel Sea School's mission is to improve the ocean's future one person at a time, which is global and ambitious. We want to work on all oceans, and we're doing that, but that starts locally as well. And so you can't protect the future of the oceans without protecting and caring for Southwest Florida's coastal ecosystems. Also, SCCF, our pillars are science, education, and advocacy. All intertwined, all really important for a wider conservation goal. We can't make progress in decision making without data and informed science, and that also helps us better inform the public in the way that we educate. Our goal is fun first and the learning comes second, but often our campers go home and they educate their families on all sorts of cool marine science topics that they never even heard of before. A big part of the work we do is called A Chance to See, which is our outreach initiative to make sure that every child has the chance to experience the coast in a meaningful way. And we just want to make sure that we're breaking down barriers that prevent children from attending our programming. So that could be financial, geographic, or other abilities. But we always want to make sure that we are accessible and open to all. Everyone deserves to be connected to the coast and to the ocean and to attend Sanibel Sea School. Sanibel Sea School has been educating since 2005, so going on 20 years. So we now have children who attended our programs pretty much their entire lives and are out in the workforce in the world doing amazing work. We have campers who attribute their connection to marine science to Sanibel Sea School who are now getting graduate degrees in marine chemistry or working in nonprofits really similar to Sanibel Sea School or SCCF. And so it's really special to be able to see our work having a lasting impact.